What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys all enjoyed your weekend. So as we get ready to head into this week, I kind of want to do some technical analysis on some names, some big runners from last week, and kind of see exactly where we stand. What are some areas of opportunity where potentially we could take a trade and make some money? So if this is the first time on my channel, thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure on your way out to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys are interested in learning how to day trade options, join my Discord. That link is all down in the description box below. With that being said, we're going to take a look at Amazon. So obviously we know Amazon came off those earnings and absolutely exploded. We did close at $135. We were up 10% on the day. So that's a big move on Amazon. So one thing that I kind of do want to point out as a market as a whole from a macro view, right? The triple Qs, the NASDAQ 100 is over its 50-day moving average. Generally speaking, anytime we're over the 50-day moving average, stocks are going to be a little bit more bullish. And pullbacks are just going to be rest periods in an uptrend, okay? Now, if we are below the 50-day moving average, then when we start to lose previous day's lows or macro levels of demand, they're more so a short, and all of the bounces are just a bounce in a downward trend. I hope that kind of makes sense. What I want to kind of discuss here on Amazon is a lot of you guys who may be holding this, maybe some of you guys played this through earnings, I would definitely recommend taking some profits here. The reason being is because if stocks like Amazon or stocks like Apple or Tesla, some of the stocks, the high flying stocks from the past 2 weeks, right? The past week and a half, the stocks that have really been moving ever since reclaiming their 50-day moving averages, they can be tired. And it doesn't mean that we're going all the way back down to the lows, but what it means is that price action can be a little bit more choppy. We could see a little bit more downwards action, right? And if you get stuck trying to chase and trying to play these names because you remember what they did last week and they did last week and they did last week, you are going to get yourself chopped up. Now, Amazon definitely is one of the stronger looking stocks, obviously, and one next price target that I'm really going to try to target here with Amazon is going to be that 146.65 200-day moving average. Okay, so that 146.65 is right up here. This is the next price level that I'm going to start targeting. But before I get into a long trade here, whether it be a day trade or a short-term swing trade on Amazon, what I'm going to need to see it do is at least pull back, right? We need this 5-day moving average to keep rising here, and we need to start crossing over these other levels of supply. And what I would like to actually see, and what we could actually see, is a little bit of a pullback on Amazon, maybe into the 129, if not 126 area. That does not mean that the run is over. What it means is the stock is tired and it needs to rest. Now, if you're a day trader slash scalper and you're looking to take advantage of that downwards move, the trade is very simple. This channel line that we're looking at here, if Amazon starts to confirm Friday's lows and starts to lose this channel line, which is sitting at around $132, this is a short scalp position that you could possibly take on a potential trade into 129. Okay, now keep in mind that anytime you're looking to take these shorts, especially when the market is in a short-term uptrend and we don't know yet if we're going higher or going to start heading back lower, you don't just want to put on a short position and expect to hold it to come all the way back down to 110, 100. Okay, that would be the stupidest thing that you can do, because this can pull in 3 or 4 points, immediately stop here, hold, trap all shorts, and then immediately start ripping back to the upside, and that's where you're going to start to get caught. So scalpers, if you're a little bit more experienced and you understand how to scalp, you understand how to get in and out of contracts on the same day, 132 is definitely a short position here. I would look to take profits into 130, 129, right? So the first area of support that we're going to be running into is the 100 simple day moving average. So that's more than enough room to make some money. To the long side, what we're going to need to see happen is we're going to need to see a close on a daily candle over 138, 139. As soon as we close over 139 here, then I am going to start looking for that macro trade to 146 to the long side on Amazon. So I'll let it close over 139 and I'll wait for the following day's price action to sort of take that out. And that's the move that I'm going to want to get into. I hope this video helps. If you guys have any more questions or want to learn how to day trade, or want the watch list or my strategy or whatever, make sure to join my Discord and visit my website at evolutiontraders.com and become a lifetime gold member. Over 100 students in the room. Many of these people have been with me for close to 2 years now. We trade each and every single day. It really helps out a lot of newer traders and even more experienced traders. We all kind of looking at the same thing. We understand what we're looking at, and we can all kind of profit together. Hope that makes sense, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.